The Darkslide is a super cool move that gives you the sensation of flying above the water. Sliding with your toe side rail over the water looks great and also gives you stability in the air. Steering the kite during the Darkslide is similar to a transition. It's fast enough to allow you to fly close to the surface of the water, but not as quick as a jump where you are lifted up in the air. Slowly steer your kite up and above you to generate moderate lift. When you feel the kite pull up, let your body fall forward and pull down on the bar for extra lift. Keeping the front knee bent and your back leg extended, your toe side edge should slide across the surface of the water. Remember to pull down on the bar for maximum airtime. You can choose to finish the move as a transition or with a kite loop. To bring your body back to an upright position, bend your hips and pull your knees up. Let's remember the key elements. Start with good speed and slowly start to steer the kite up. Let your body fall forward and pull down on the bar. Bend your front and extend your back knee. To get back upright, generate extra lift with a loop or powerful kite steering. Bend your hips and pull your knees up. Enjoy your ride with Duotone Kiteboarding Academy.